What if I told you that Toyota just built one of the most outrageous, most unstoppable motorhomes ever imagined for the open road? A machine so massive and so unbelievably engineered that it almost looks unreal when you first see it. But this is not a concept, and it is not science fiction. This is the all-new 12x12 2026 Toyota MarbleForce Motorhome, and it may very well redefine what people believe a luxury expedition vehicle can be. Welcome back to AutoZone USA. Today we are getting up close and personal with a vehicle that blurs the line between luxury home, off-road fortress, and unstoppable overland machine. The MarbleForce 12x12 is not just a motorhome, it is an engineering statement, a rolling monument to power, comfort, and adventure. From the outside, it looks like something built for a futuristic expedition across continents, and once you see what is hidden inside and underneath this machine, you will understand exactly why people are already calling it one of the wildest vehicles Toyota has ever produced. The first moment you walk into the same space as the MarbleForce, the sheer presence of it stops you in your tracks. This thing does not simply sit on the ground like a normal RV, it dominates the ground it stands on. The body stretches out like a luxury Land Cruiser on steroids, towering above most vehicles you would normally see on the highway. The height, the width, and the commanding stance instantly tell you that this motorhome was designed to go far beyond traditional road travel. Covering the entire exterior is a custom marble-inspired wrap that gives the MarbleForce its unforgettable identity. Under sunlight, the finish looks like polished stone carved from a mountainside. The texture flows across the body panels in deep black and graphite patterns that almost look alive when light hits them from different angles. It is aggressive, bold, and completely unlike anything else on the road. From a distance, it appears sculpted rather than manufactured. But the real insanity begins when you notice the wheels. This motorhome rides on a full 12x12 drivetrain configuration. That means 12 wheels touching the ground at all times, supported by 6 heavy-duty axles working together as a single coordinated system. The scale of this setup is almost difficult to comprehend until you stand next to it. Each wheel is wrapped in massive off-road expedition tires designed to bite into gravel, mud, sand, and rocky terrain without hesitation. The 6-axle platform provides incredible stability and traction. On long highway journeys, it distributes weight smoothly across the entire chassis, keeping the ride planted and controlled even when fully loaded with equipment and supplies. When the pavement ends, the system becomes even more impressive. With torque being distributed across all 12 wheels, the MarbleForce can push through terrain that would stop most RVs instantly. Imagine cruising along the Pacific Coast Highway with the ocean stretching endlessly beside you, the MarbleForce gliding smoothly across the pavement like a luxury train. Then imagine turning off the highway and climbing deep into the rugged backcountry of Montana or Colorado. That is exactly the kind of journey this machine was built for. Highway comfort combined with expedition-grade capability. Up front, Toyota made sure the identity of the vehicle could not be mistaken. The front fascia is dominated by a massive, bold Toyota grille that spans nearly the entire width of the nose. The design feels powerful and industrial, like the front of a heavy-duty expedition truck rather than a traditional motorhome. Centered just beneath the grille sits the MarbleForce badge, polished and unmistakable, announcing the name of this monster to anyone who sees it coming down the road. Flanking the grille are sharp, angular LED headlights that look as if they belong on a futuristic off-road machine. These are not ordinary lights. The illumination they produce is crisp, bright, and incredibly wide, allowing the driver to see every detail of the road or trail ahead, even in the darkest environments. Above the windshield, stretching across the roofline, sits a massive curved LED light bar paired with multiple auxiliary spotlights. When activated, this lighting system can turn a pitch-black desert campsite into something that looks like daytime. Drivers traveling remote highways through Wyoming, Utah, or Nevada in the middle of the night would have visibility that rivals daylight conditions. The roof itself is engineered to serve multiple purposes. Solar panels stretch across large sections of the top surface, providing renewable power to support the electrical systems inside the motorhome. There are also reinforced mounting points designed for rooftop storage, adventure equipment, or even a small observation deck setup for travelers who want panoramic views of the wilderness around them. Step around to the side, and you begin to appreciate the sheer length of the MarbleForce. This is not a compact RV. The body stretches across a massive footprint, allowing Toyota designers to transform the interior into something that feels closer to a luxury apartment than a vehicle. Multiple slide-out sections expand the living space once the vehicle is parked, creating an environment that feels open, comfortable, and incredibly spacious. Opening the main door reveals a living space that instantly changes your perception of what a motorhome interior can look like. The first step inside feels less like entering a vehicle and more like stepping into a modern luxury suite. Soft, ambient lighting runs along the ceiling panels, illuminating polished surfaces and high-quality materials that are used throughout the entire cabin. The lounge area sits directly across from the entrance and acts as the social heart of the MarbleForce. A large premium sofa stretches along one wall, upholstered in soft leather with subtle contrast stitching that gives the seating a refined and elegant look. The cushions are deep and supportive, perfect for relaxing after a long day of driving or exploring the outdoors. Across from the sofa sits a large entertainment panel featuring a high-resolution display integrated seamlessly into the cabinetry. Whether you want to watch movies, stream travel documentaries, or simply catch up on the news, the MarbleForce provides the same entertainment comfort you would expect from a luxury home. Surround sound speakers are hidden throughout the cabin, filling the space with rich audio without cluttering the design. Just beyond the lounge area, you will find the main sleeping space. Unlike the cramped bunks often found in traditional RVs, the MarbleForce features a full-sized bed designed for genuine rest and recovery. The mattress is thick, supportive, and surrounded by soft fabric panels that give the sleeping area a calm and quiet atmosphere. Large windows sit on either side of the bed, allowing natural light to fill the space during the day and offering incredible views of the surrounding landscape at night. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the red rock formations of Utah or falling asleep under the stars in the Nevada desert. That is exactly the experience this machine was designed to deliver. Above the main sleeping area, there is also an upper bunk that can accommodate additional travelers. Families exploring the country together or small groups of adventurers will appreciate the extra sleeping space without sacrificing comfort or privacy. Now let us talk about the kitchen, because Toyota did not cut corners here. The MarbleForce includes a fully functional luxury kitchen built to support real cooking while traveling. At the center sits a polished granite countertop that provides ample workspace for preparing meals. The stone surface is both durable and visually stunning, reinforcing the upscale character of the interior. Integrated into the countertop is a full gas cooktop that allows travelers to prepare everything from simple breakfasts to elaborate dinners while on the road. A large stainless steel sink with a high-arc faucet makes cleanup easy, and surrounding cabinets provide plenty of storage for cookware, utensils, and dry food supplies. The refrigerator is full-sized, offering enough capacity to store fresh ingredients for extended journeys far from grocery stores. Whether you are parked near Yellowstone National Park or deep within the Arizona desert, the MarbleForce allows you to cook and eat exactly the way you would at home. Just a few steps away from the kitchen is something many travelers never expect to find inside a motorhome of this type: a fully equipped bathroom that feels more like a luxury hotel than an RV facility. The shower is enclosed in glass panels and features a rainfall-style showerhead mounted high above. The water pressure system ensures a comfortable shower experience even when the vehicle is far from traditional infrastructure. Next to the shower sits a modern vanity with a polished sink basin and illuminated mirror. Storage drawers beneath the counter hold toiletries and personal items, keeping the space organized and functional. Everything about this bathroom was designed to provide real comfort during long adventures. Moving forward into the cockpit area brings us to the command center of the MarbleForce. This is where the driver takes control of one of the largest and most powerful motorhomes ever built. The captain's seat is wrapped in diamond-quilted leather with contrast stitching that immediately communicates quality and attention to detail. The Toyota emblem sits proudly on the headrest, reminding you that this enormous machine still carries the DNA of one of the world's most respected automotive brands. The steering wheel is thick, leather-wrapped, and packed with multi-function controls that allow the driver to manage audio systems, cruise control, navigation prompts, and driver assistance technologies without taking hands off the wheel. Directly behind it sits a fully digital instrument cluster displaying speed, navigation cues, vehicle diagnostics, and drivetrain information in crisp, high-definition graphics. Dominating the center of the dashboard is a large, vertical touchscreen display that acts as the central control hub for the entire vehicle. From this screen, the driver can access GPS navigation, camera views around the vehicle, climate controls, lighting systems, and entertainment features. Planning a route from Denver to Las Vegas or Seattle to Phoenix becomes a simple and intuitive process. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of the cockpit is the bank of illuminated switches and controls located along the center console. These controls manage off-road driving systems, including terrain selection modes, differential locks, suspension adjustments, and traction management features that help the MarbleForce conquer difficult landscapes. Under the massive hood sits the powerhouse that makes all of this possible. The MarbleForce is powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine producing well over 700 horsepower and a staggering torque figure exceeding 2,000 pound-feet. Those numbers place it firmly in the territory of industrial-grade machines rather than recreational vehicles. That level of torque is exactly what you need when moving a fully equipped expedition motorhome across steep mountain passes, muddy trails, and endless stretches of rugged terrain. The engine works in harmony with the 12-wheel drivetrain to ensure that power reaches the ground efficiently regardless of conditions. The suspension system has also been engineered to handle the extreme size and weight of the vehicle while maintaining ride comfort. Heavy-duty adaptive shocks and reinforced springs allow the MarbleForce to absorb bumps and rough surfaces without transferring harsh vibrations into the living space. Of course, a machine like this does not come cheap. The MarbleForce exists in the realm of ultra-exclusive expedition vehicles, and its price reflects the incredible amount of engineering and craftsmanship required to build it. Estimates place the cost firmly in seven-figure territory, depending on customization options and equipment packages chosen by the owner. But for the people who buy machines like this, price is rarely the main consideration. What they're investing in is freedom. The ability to travel across the continent without sacrificing comfort, luxury, or independence. So, who exactly is the MarbleForce 12x12 built for? It's built for explorers who refuse to be limited by traditional travel methods. It's built for adventurers who want to reach remote landscapes while bringing the comforts of home with them. And it's built for families who dream of crossing America together in a vehicle that turns every mile into an unforgettable experience. From the frozen wilderness of Alaska to the deserts of Arizona, from the forests of Oregon to the mountains of Colorado, the MarbleForce was designed to conquer it all. And once you see this incredible machine in action, you'll never look at motorhomes the same way again.